Welcome to my channel on how to AFK the Al-Kharid Agility Rooftop course with 4 clicks. As for the requirements, you will need 20 agility, and it does help to have a ring of dueling so that when you right click it, you select PvP area, and then let's head towards the course. You want to make your way to the southwest area and continue. And this course is not the best XP rates for the level, however this does give marks of grace, which gives the graceful outfit. So now that we're here, we're going to change your camera angle facing south a little bit. And for the game mode, go to settings, make sure you click the screen icon, the game client layout, you want to actually go to modern, resizable. That way when you click on inventory, it pops up, and if you click it again, it disappears. The same goes with your chat box as well. So now that we're here, we'll be going through the agility course pretty much a normal way, although there will be some key points in which case I will show. Just go through the cable. Now for here, you could again change your camera angle to look north. You want to go to the absolute southeast corner, step 1 tile west, and another. You want to right click and mark the tile. If you already marked it, it will have a unmarked tile option. Now we go through the zip line. Click on the tropical tree, and I'll just fix it so we're south, well looking south. So you want to go 3 tiles north, and then 1 tile west. You could also just go to this tile instead, so it's just 2 north and 1 west. And then mark that tile. And the same will go, you want to go 2 north, mark the tile west, 2 north, 1 west. That way when you go again 2 north, 1 west, you click on the tightrope. And for this one, it may be hard, but it's pretty much, again, 2 north, 1 west. Although, you may want to try 3 north, because when you go 2 north, 1 west, it does not put you in a tile. You go through here. Now, change your camera angle a little bit, and we'll be marking some tiles to help us. So, I'll mark right here, which you should see. And you want to run to this tile. It's pretty much to the very north of the building at the corner. And zoom in a little bit. And now we click on the rough wall without moving the mouse. For the next spot, you want to mark the agility course for that one, and you want to click it. Program I am using is Epic Pen, which is usually automatically comes with the computer. If not, you will just need to download that. There is screen markers that RuneLite does offer, however, it does mess it up if your screen's not already full. Well, it has to be very shrunk. So, without moving the mouse, click. And as you run, you want to click again to swing on the rooftop course. Now that we're here, put a little indicator wherever that marked tile is, and we'll want to run there. Next up, you want to mark pretty much a good amount of, pretty much like the south bottom so that when we click it, we'll do the course, and we'll be able to do the next course without moving the mouse, like so. Next up comes the most hardest part, and again, that's the 2 north, 3 south. So you could try right here at the very corner tip and see if it works. Now for here, you want to click twice pretty fastly, and that'll be like right here. And as you're running, you want to click that. So you notice how I had a little delay. Again, run back. And for whatever reason, even though you put it in the corner, it won't appear in the corner. So you could remove that dot if you want, and then click on the corner. And as you run, you notice for a little second that we do have that little tile there. So mark that right here. And again, click, wait like 1.2 seconds, and then click again. And the important part is it should line up with the dots on the next. If not, you may need to change it a little bit. So it's like this. And then I was so close off just by a tiny bit that I wasn't able to do this last tightrope. But it's the same concept since it's the same pattern. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. This one, again, don't move the mouse. It should put you in the same position like so. And then we'll remove that one since we did a bit of the course. You want to mark somewhere on that one tile. Now we just click on this blue dot. It should line up accordingly. And if not, you kind of need to just drag the little dot a little more to the one side, and then just go at the very first dot again. The full course takes 5 different mouse angles, running to the full course and then starting it all over again. Just the course itself takes only 4, although as you saw, that very last dot is quite hard to actually get correctly because it just depends. Sometimes the camera angle does get a little funny, and then right there, you want to just edit the little dots a little bit better. Because, I mean, sometimes you click in between one tile and then you'll go west of it, and sometimes you'll go to the east of it. So it could be hard to get the angle right. It's just you have to be pretty much test and run a couple times, in which case it should line up accordingly. And then just make sure to click it, and yeah, this one's like the hardest to do. But on average, you can expect to get about 6,840 agility experience, which again is not the best. However, if you do want marks of grace as soon as possible, you can start doing this course. And then remember, this course does have a level 20 agility requirement. With that, thank you all so much for watching this guide on how to pretty much 4-click the Al-Kharid Desert course, and enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, as it really does help.